Okay. Now after that, we have the option as a bookmark. Bookmarks means, when you have the large book, okay, and you are reading to that book, right? So after a some time reading, if you want to remember which page are you are, so what you gonna do? You can take the particular anything, a bookmarker, and you can put inside of that, okay? Same as like a page bookmark we are using for if suppose I want to mark my particular page. Okay, let me show you how we can do that. Suppose I'm going to the Chrome. Okay, let me take a Baku Baku talk. Okay, or maybe we have the option I forgot is equal to uh, range or rank something and inside of word 20 and just enter. No, I put it wrong. Okay, random, rand. Okay, random and just say hit enter button. See, randomly text are generated. Randomly text is baku baku text. It doesn't matter what text is there. Is equal to. So let me check. I'm selecting again. See over here. Is equal to rand for random. Okay. Use brackets. Okay. Put inside of bracket how much paragraph you want. Suppose I want a 5 paragraph because I want right now at least a 20 paragraph. I'm writing a 20 number. Go outside and hit enter button. You can see a 20 paragraph will be a present. Okay, getting? So right now let's do to use a bookmark. Okay, suppose I'm saying this is all about the video. Okay, after that this is, let me take to the next page. Enter, 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 enter. You can use page break also. See, smartness. Okay. Let me paste over here, save something. Okay. This is all about save something. Okay. Second page. Okay. First page about the video. Second page about suppose save. Okay. Don't match that because it doesn't matter what we are writing. Okay. Just understand. I'm just doing something to you. Okay. Just let me take from over here to the next. Enter, 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 enter. Next page. Okay, putting over here information. Okay, this is third page about the themes. Themes, after that save, and after that video. Okay, let me put the bookmark. Okay, I'm just going over here, clicking to the video. Okay, going over here in bookmark. Write your bookmark name like a video. Okay, video, and just add. See, right now I'm added my bookmark as a video. Now again I'm putting over here my second bookmark, going to the save. Okay, click over here. I want to make a new one. See, add option. Okay, okay, wait, I'm doing something different. Wait. I need to first write over here. This is about my save and add. So right now it's added. Okay, let me check in bookmarks. How many bookmarks I have? Save and video. Okay, let me say cancel. After that, I want to go to the themes. Just click over here and you can select. It's the same. If you're clicking, still is okay. Just take that and just click on bookmark. I want to take new one. Erase that save. I want theme. Okay, and just click on add button. You can see right now a 3 bookmark I have. Okay, suppose guys I want to directly jump to the last one, that's called themes. Okay, clicking over here and go to, you can see directly that page. Let me say close. Okay, directly theme. I do not need to scroll. And when it will be useful, when you have the a large baku, a large number of amount a page. Okay, now if suppose I want to jump to the save one, second one, just clicking on save, go to, see, and just say cancel your save one page, right? This is all about we are using. Okay, so let me go over here. Okay, now the last one, cross reference. Cross reference means what? Reference to specified place in your a document such as a heading, figures, tables, and etc. Okay. Cross. Let me show the cross one. Hmm, okay. Suppose. Let me check. Right now, if suppose there is numbering. Okay, one number. second number, and third number. Okay, this kind of stuff I have. Okay, so cross reference means what? I do not have a time to check what kind of I did not place over there, anything. Like suppose, I did not place my bookmark, and I directly go to the any step. I know exactly in this I have the certain, numbers or any kind of things. I can directly go to the what exactly I want to refer. Suppose I want to refer the headings. Okay, let me say why is not heading showing anything? Page numbers. Okay, not headings. Let me check. Headings. Okay, why it's not taken, I understood. Suppose I'm taking over here and going to the home, make as a heading. Okay, suppose heading 1. Okay, this is heading 2, taken heading 2. Okay, and this is heading 3. Okay, means what exactly? I don't have a time. I don't have a time to, I do not have a time to go to that particular, stage, and I do not have a time to. Sometime what happen? Our PDF, of if suppose someone gave me anything, it will be come to the, particular, format. So I don't have a time to check what exactly in where. So what I'm gonna do? I'm just going to the insert and just clicking where to the cross reference, and you can see when you are checking to the heading C, it's automatically coming. Getting? All the headings. Sometime maybe it's come with the, bookmark. See, it's a bookmark also there. Because I done. Means you can check also directly cross platform. You can check anyone is adding anything bookmark or not, right? Getting? After that, let me say cross check. Okay, now this is a comment. Comments means, guys, if I'm going anywhere and I'm teaching something and I want to check that, like if suppose I want to do a comment, okay, or someone commenting about my whatever I added. So if suppose I want to recognize, if suppose they are saying something to changes do in my word, so I can put it into the comment. See, let's I'm taking a comment. You can see where exactly you're clicking last time. Okay, means like suppose let me do undo again, means I'm just going one step back. Suppose they are saying about this comment, click. Okay, something they are writing interesting. Okay, just I'm clicking on click. Okay, now just go to the comment. See that exactly the changes. Now you can write anything baku baku what they said and blah 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 stuff. Okay, getting? So you can check, you can add the people comments, and after when you're going at home, you can re again change where they exactly can say. Exactly clear? Uh-huh. Now, and even we have the option how we can delete that. Right click. See, there is an option. Let me check. Let me check. No, not over here. How we can delete command? See, delete command. Just click over here. That command will be a delete. Okay. So this is all about the command. Okay, you can add the command also. Let me go to the insert command. Now every time guys, when you are making your this one, you can see this this what document you have. Every time our document come with header and footer part. Header means what? The top part of my page, and the footer means the bottom of my page. So how you can open? There is a two type. When you are clicking header or footer, it will be open, or else when you are double clicking into the down or top, you can see the first page about the footer and the header. See header. Even when you are going to the second page, header and the footer. Third page, header and the footer. Now, what exactly the advantage of header footer? If suppose I'm writing, this is a document about the Sky Vision College, you can see when I'm going to the click into the middle, see the top of what I'm written as a Sky Vision College. And when you're going to the next page, why it's not repeated? It should be. Let me check. Something happened. Okay. No, it's okay. Maybe there are something difficulty. Okay. Or let me check because I'm using crack version. Sometime it's not using. Just I'm going again back. Is it I'm on recording? Uh-huh, it's on. Okay, let me start the new one recording.